So the stock picking game that I launched last week is going in full swing. Let me tell you which stocks are winning and the insights from the private investors, which are better than the professional fund managers, in just a second. This game has £150,000 of prizes. The links are around this video to sign up. There's also weekly prizes, monthly prizes, and it's a safe environment within which to learn. It's part of my campaign for 1 million to teach 1 million people how to be better investors in a safe environment for their futures, their SIPs, their pensions and ISAs, but do it in a fun way. So who's leading? What's the data showing us? And it's really interesting what it is showing us. Adam B is first right now with a 90% hit rate. Average performance of 2% per stock, aggregate performance of 20% across his 10 picks. Gatticus has also picked his full allocation of 10 stocks and is up 19% in aggregate, so about 1.9% per pick. And WizKid, full aggregate of 10 stocks, 17.57% return in aggregate. All of them way outperforming the FTSE All Share. The most picked sector, as you'd expect, is basic resources and utilities, and that holds true for the top 3 players. I've got the results in front of me. Now, I'll tell you why that's important. Fund managers are slow. They're a bit like the Titanic. They're very slow to move out of market volatility and dangers such as an iceberg coming their way, and so they crash into it and fund managers sink. Private investors are nimble. They're like the guys in the lifeboats. They can just swim away from disaster. And that's why I think very often from private investors, you can get a lead indicator. Not always, get a lead indicator, and they can be shrewd and sharp, as you've seen with Adam and Gatticus and WizKid out there. So we're going to share this data with you each week for all the people who sign up. Like I said, links are in the bio, sign up there. BP has been picked most by the top 3 players, reflecting the current energy stocks, obviously. It's also the most picked company for all players. 7 out of the top 10 ranked players are utilizing their 10 stock picks, and the average number of stock picks from all players is about 6. So maybe there's a lesson to make more stock picks. Anyway, links are around this video. Do sign up, do join. There's going to be lots of educational videos and seminars and webinars from me around all of this as well. So lots of reasons to be part of the competition, let alone the fact there's £150,000 for you to share in as well. Have fun, enjoy, get your kids to join in as well. Thank you very much.